Karibu. This we have a staff cafeteria for Kabete National Polytechnic. So tunaanzia hapa. Hapo we have a biometric register where you register yourself using your thumb. Ukisha register hapo, your presence, unakuja hapa, tutakuwa na pay point. This is a service area. Mahali watakuwa na serve chakula. Main kitchen iko pale. So hapa tuko na roller shutter window. Ikifunguliwa, kitchen itakuwa open, so at least hapa ndani tutakuwa na buffet. Chakula zitakuwa zimepangwa hapo. So ukisha register hapo, unakuja pay point, unalipia. Unakuja hapa, unaenda kuchagua chakula unataka. Kipakuliwa, unaweza mulika huko ndani. Jikoni ndio hiyo, ingawa tujamalizia kitchen cabinet na high level shelves. Hizo zitawekwa. So we have wash and points hapa. Naweza mulika huko. We have high level shelves. No, wash and points. So huku uko na soap dispenser. Naweka sabuni. This is a press tap. Unaosha mkono. Ukishaosha mkono, you have two options. Unaweza chagua kutumia serviette, this is a serviette dispenser, ama ukuje uweke mkono kwa automatic hand dryer. Kuna hizi tutaweka hapa. Kisha panguza mkono na serviette, unatupa hapo moja huko. At least unaweza jiangalia saa zile unanawa, mira iko. So ziko mob. This side also we have serviette dispenser. Automatic hand dryer. All installed and functioning. So here we have considered the disabled. So we have this step and we also have a ramp. So we have provided this just to avoid the slipperiness of the tile. So this is the main kitchen. Chakula yote ilikuwa inatayarishwa huko ndani. Zinaletwa hapa service area. So maybe tunaweza kuingia huko ndani. For service area, you can see the lights that are provided. Although tujafanya ceiling, that's another phase. We'll do it in another phase when we are doing the kitchen cabinets and the high level shelves. But the lighting points, you can see we have considered the light and also the beauty. Let's analyze light. We have considered also the aesthetic part of it. We have sprout tap. At least wamama pia wa feel mali wanafanya kazi wamefurahi. So kama unaweza angalia hiyo sink, is a high density sink. Kwa strong sana. Tap, unaona tumewekea tap classic. So tuna hiyo interchanger. Maji iko kwa wingi. That's a cooker unit. So being that this is a service area, we have just provided one cooker unit. Huku pia tuko na another sink ya kuosha vyombo. Also, as you can see, we have special space. We can still decide and provide a island preparation table, and then we'll have buffet. We have two sockets, one for the buffet, another one for the cashier. This one will be the pay point. So this for the cashier, let's weka machine zake hapo. It's a special service area. So tunaweza kuja huku. This is just a eating open space. But being an interior designer, there are so many things to be done. Like for this steel stanchions. We need to clad them with timber. We put some mirrors and then decoration of some timber, CNC, and lights to look neat and beautiful. On this end, we have three raised eating areas or spaces. So this one, there is still some work to be done. As you can see, we'll provide stainless threads along to prevent people from falling or chairs. So we'll do that in the next phase. Stainless steel grids. Also here we have considered the disabled with a ramp, and we'll have some grids, stainless grids. Also on this end, these are some of the gutters we finished fixing them tomorrow. So here we still have some work to do for the stainless grids. We'll provide that later. Also we have considered lighting points. As you can see, we have some wall brackets here just to add beauty to the hall. Also, if you can just capture this, the lights. We've just provided some lights to at least add beauty. So, in the entire hall, we have provided this end with a TV outlet and a socket. So, if the school decides to have a television in the restaurant, they can fix it in this end. So we have a socket for the TV and decoder, or deck, and then the TV outlet. But we have some stainless steels just to add beauty and to protect people and at least to add beauty. So maybe right now the main kitchen is closed because we have just done some cleaning. So we have closed it because we didn't want to need people to enter. They can make it dirty again. Also the stairs, we have just repainted it, so it's so unfortunate. I want to go up because it's still wet, but you can just capture that. So on the upper floor, we have boardroom or meeting room and washrooms. So people will be having meetings in the hall, in the first floor, and then they come down for some meeting. On this end, we have an office. I think also the office we have locked because it has been cleaned. But this one will be office for the officer in charge for the restaurant. It has washroom. Also, this is an external door or service door. And through the external door, we have outside washrooms where people from the restaurant will be using. The upper ones are for the Kooko when they are in the meeting or meeting hall. But for the people using the restaurant, they'll be using the back door to access the washrooms beyond there. So there are still so many things to be done. But being that we are doing the restaurant in phases, we did phase 1, now we have done phase 2. So I think, God willing, if we'll be lucky to get phase 3, we'll clear everything remaining. And with that, I thank you so much.